Hello, welcome to Chancellor on Brick Build. Today I'll show you how to build a Lego drawer for your bedside. Let's get started. But first, this is a Mother's Day special. There's two drawers which you can open and also close back into position. Let's get started. For the base, you want to have a 32 by 32 base plate with an outer ring which is 4 studs by 16 studs. You want to tile off the middle, leaving 4 stud gaps on each side. Build up 3 bricks and then have a little coating of plates on the top. You also want to tile this part just for the drawer mechanism. The back part is if you want to store any water bottle or maybe even a midnight snack. For the actual drawer itself, what you want to do is you want to have something that would fit the dimensions of your base tiled area with a coating, obviously with plates, bricks around the sides and tiles so it can glide freely around. In the middle, you also want to add a handle which is made out of using 4x2 bricks and a 2x3 brick stacked on top of each other. After you do that, with the base, all you have to do is slide it in with the correct dimensions. Now you want a 16x16 base, which you would just snap on one of the corners, and then another base plate, which is a 16x16, with a little area for another drawer. You want an 8x8 tiled area with some little slots on the sides, 6 bricks high, which also should have a plate or two on top. Now you just have to make a roof which will be a 10 by 9, and you just want to snap the roof on top. Now for your second drawer, you want 4 of these circular bricks on the bottom, or you could just simply make another 8x8 base with 2 bricks high tiles, 2 of these pieces to go there, which are plates that are 2x1, and a little front wall which is tiled. Now you just slide that in this little area, which if you can see, you have to leave a little gap for a tile piece. So then with these parts sticking out, you can just slide it right in like that. Now after you've done that, all you want to do is grab your plate and snap it on top to finish the whole thing. Since this is a Mother's Day special, try building a heart out of arch pieces, a few slope pieces and a brick in the middle. You can snap that right here, and now you have a fully completed drawer which you can store your phone in, and also some jewellery or other accessories. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Bye!